Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c:, then hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy **backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy **backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c:/ /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c:* -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c:* \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.